two quick scenarios. If I'm a little pushed for time, I'm actually going to set the lingerie up, and then right before break, so after I show the liquid line, but before I go on to toys, I'm going to say, hey ladies, we're going to get ready to take our quick 5-10 minute break. During the break is when you want to come check out the lingerie and try these sexy pieces on. So or make sure that you keep your panties on when you try the lingerie on, of course. If you're not wearing panties, keep your pants on. If you come out and you model the lingerie, I'm gonna give you 5% off the piece that you model. If you decide to get 3 or more pieces this evening, I'm gonna give you 15% off of all of them. So I definitely encourage them to come out and show their friends the lingerie, because they're more likely to buy it when their friends are telling them how great they look in it. And I will then go on and hold up a few of the different pieces. I definitely point out our Euphoria PJs at every single party, no matter what. So I carry them around the room. I have everybody touch them, feel how soft they are, and I tell them all the benefits of the Euphoria PJs, that they're antifungal, antibacterial, you don't have to wash them as often, they're moisture wicking, and I let them know they definitely want to get some of the Euphoria PJs. I will then hold up a few of the different pieces of lingerie, point out a few of their features, and then I go ahead and let them start trying stuff on during break. Now, if I'm not pushed for time, and this is where you're really going to make some great money with your lingerie, I pass around every single piece. So I just grab each piece, or one piece in every size, and I tell them a little bit of the selling features, and I pass them around. I tell them, ladies, if you like something, hold on to it, and you can try it on during break. Hold on to as many pieces as you like. You never know how they're gonna fit or what you're gonna like, so don't be scared to take all the pieces that you like, okay? So that's what I do, and by really letting them see it and having it in front of their face, they're more likely to try stuff on, and when they see that their friends are holding on to pieces, they're gonna wanna try it on too. I definitely say do it because ladies want to see the lingerie, and they definitely want to be able to try it on. So when they can actually try it on, they're more likely to buy it. So I say go ahead and get it, and I love when we have limited time pieces that come out. So like our Valentine's pieces, our holiday pieces, I always try to purchase those because then they're considered limited time. Everybody loves limited time products, so they're easier to sell when they know that it may not be there next time they see you. Cheers, thanks for having me.